Pell City homeowners experience a mix of hot, humid summers, mild winters, and changing seasonal conditions that make energy efficiency a top priority. Windows play a major role in how well a home maintains comfort throughout the year, and outdated or inefficient windows can quickly drive up utility bills. For many homeowners, energy-efficient slider windows offer the perfect balance of performance, durability, and everyday convenience, making them an ideal choice for Pell City's climate. Here's why slider windows are such a smart, climate-ready solution for local homes. Designed to handle heat and humidity, Pell City summers can be long and hot, with humidity placing extra strain on cooling systems. Energy-efficient slider windows are designed to minimize heat transfer and block humid outdoor air from entering the home. Key features include insulated double or triple pane glass low-E coatings that reflect solar heat, tight weather stripping that reduces air leakage. These features help keep indoor spaces cooler and more comfortable, even during peak summer heat. Smooth, horizontal operation encourages natural ventilation. Slider windows open horizontally, allowing homeowners to control airflow easily. When outdoor conditions are comfortable, especially in spring and fall, slider windows make it easy to bring in fresh air without relying on air conditioning. This helps improve indoor air quality, reduce cooling costs during mild weather, release trapped heat from living spaces. In Pell City's transitional seasons, this natural ventilation can lead to noticeable energy savings. Tight seals reduce energy loss year-round. Older windows often develop gaps that allow conditioned air to escape. Energy-efficient slider windows are built with improved sealing systems that maintain a tight fit when closed. Benefits include reduced drafts during cooler months, consistent indoor temperatures, less HVAC cycling and wear. These tight seals help homes stay comfortable no matter the season. Energy-efficient glass lets in light without overheating. Natural light is a major benefit of slider windows, but excessive sunlight can increase indoor temperatures if windows aren't designed properly. Modern energy-efficient slider windows solve this problem. Advanced glass technology allows plenty of daylight to enter, reduces heat gain from direct sunlight, protects interiors from UV damage. This means Pell City homeowners enjoy bright, welcoming rooms without higher cooling bills. Low-maintenance materials perform well in southern conditions. Energy-efficient slider windows are often built with vinyl or composite frames that perform exceptionally well in warm, humid environments. These materials resist moisture, warping, and corrosion, don't require painting or refinishing, maintain their appearance and performance over time. Low maintenance is especially appealing for busy homeowners who want reliable windows without constant upkeep. Improved comfort near windows. Poorly insulated windows often create uncomfortable hot spots near seating areas. Energy-efficient slider windows help eliminate these issues by maintaining more stable interior temperatures. Homeowners notice fewer temperature swings near windows, more usable living space, improved comfort throughout the home. This makes slider windows a practical upgrade for living rooms, bedrooms, and kitchens. Reduced noise enhances everyday living. Multi-pane glass and improved seals also help reduce outside noise. For homes near busy streets or active neighborhoods, energy-efficient slider windows create a quieter indoor environment. Quieter interiors support better relaxation, improved sleep quality, a more peaceful home atmosphere. Professional installation maximizes energy performance. Even the best energy-efficient slider windows rely on proper installation to perform as intended. Professional installers ensure accurate measurements and alignment, complete sealing around the frame, smooth operation, and long-term durability. Correct installation ensures homeowners get the full benefit of their window investment. A smart window choice for Pell City homes. Energy-efficient slider windows are perfectly suited for Pell City's climate. With their ability to manage heat, control humidity, support natural ventilation, and reduce energy costs, they deliver year-round comfort and efficiency. For homeowners looking to upgrade their windows with a solution that's practical, durable, and designed for local conditions, energy-efficient slider windows are a smart investment that pays off in comfort and savings season after season.